Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Microsoft Stories missing, not showing or not installed in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, type here WS reset. So type this command line and open WS reset. And it will fix and resolve some common problem. Still you are facing problems, so you can try second method, close it and click on Start, type here PowerShell, open Windows PowerShell, so right click, run as administrator. It will ask permission, so click on yes. Now copy and paste this command line I will give in description. Then press enter. So hopefully guys it will fix and resolve Microsoft not working or not showing problem on Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching and please comment any method work for you or not.